Hey there, stitching buddies! Today we're diving into Sashiko for beginners. I started with a basic pattern and an easy guide. I folded my handloom fabric in 2 layers. Alright, let's get our fabric ready for some Sashiko magic. I folded my handloom fabric and stitched the edge for a clean look. I recommend using even weave fabrics rather than tightly woven plain fabrics. The open structure of the even weave fabric makes it easier to weave the needle through the fabric layers. Now let's add a bit of structure to our canvas. I simply drew squares using a 6mm graph paper. Easy peasy, right? A grid is the fundamental basis of any repeating Sashiko pattern. I've got my trusty pearl cotton threads ready to roll. So grab yours and let's stitch our way through these beautiful patterns. Start your stitching line and leave a 1 to 2 inch tail between the layers of fabric. Traditionally, Sashiko is stitched with white thread on dark indigo cloth. However, modern Sashiko threads and fabrics are available in a rainbow of colors, allowing your projects to complement any choice you make. Skip the knot. When starting a new thread, just leave a nice long tail, somewhere between 6 to 12 centimeters, between the fabric layers. Easy, right? No knots, just smooth stitching. Let's keep it simple and stylish. This ancient Japanese craft is easy to learn. It gives quick results and makes stunning textile pieces. Sashiko stitches are always longer on the top of the fabric than they are on the backside. Stay tuned for more tips, and if you're enjoying this, hit subscribe. Happy stitching, friends! Stay tuned for more exciting sewing and crafting ideas. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for endless creative inspiration.